Today I'm showing you how to make muffin recipe that's made out of oats, cranberries and bananas. And as always, the description will show you the ingredients. I'm using here, as you can see, very ripe bananas. When they start getting brown, that's exactly what you want, because you want them extremely sweet. If they're not sweet enough, well, we don't use any sugar here, so the butter, it's not going to be as sweet as you would like. So now I'm using here 3 very small bananas, 3.5 ounces each. So altogether, when you mash them nicely, they should be around 10-11 ounces. It is important that you don't have way more or way less, or the dough is going to be just too runny and the result is not going to be perfect. All right, so just mash them very well. You can also use immersion blender in order to put it all together. It's going to be much easier, much faster. I'm here just using a fork. Next, 2 eggs. $150 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, mix everything to combine to a half a cup of flour, add half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder and 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and mix it all together. Add the dry ingredients, 2 wet ingredients, 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. Combine all. Chop 40 grams of dried cranberries. This is going to be my second way of sweetening the batter. So our muffins are very nicely sweet. I like to chop them because the little pieces will sweeten the batter evenly, instead of just having large pieces of cranberries here and there. Add cranberries to the batter. Combine, and your batter is ready to put into separate muffins. I like to use the ice cream scoop, because that way you have very even muffins. So when they bake, they all the same sizes. I preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna put them for about 25 minutes. They're usually ready at that time. If you need to use a minute or two, I just check them and see if they done. And here we go. They smell amazingly. Now, what's important, these muffins are very moist. That is how I like them. If you like them a little bit more dense, add additional 1/4 cup of flour. Enjoy. And if you like this recipe and you would like to see more, don't forget to subscribe.